Hi, my name's Lynn and I'm here to introduce my Flying Start to A-Level Maths course. Now, as anybody who has done the A-Level Maths course will tell you, it's pretty intense right from day one. And most people, if they've had the whole of the summer off especially, they find that it hits them pretty hard really. And you can make your path a lot easier by making sure that you are fully up to speed on all the GCSE content that you're expected to know when you start that A-level. So what do you get? You get a qualified and experienced teacher. So I've got well over 15 years experience of teaching both A-level and GCSE Maths across several different exam boards, and I've also been marking exams for one of the major exam boards for several years. The content of the course is suitable no matter which exam board you did for your GCSE and which one you're doing for your A-level. It's relevant to all of them. It only does the bits of the GCSE that you're going to need for the A-level, so you're not wasting your time on bits that you're not going to need. There are over 10 hours of video lessons, specially recorded for this course, with loads of practice opportunities built in. So if you work through all the examples to get full benefit, it's actually going to take you quite a bit longer than the 10 hours. And there's also additional practice questions for every lesson with full detailed worked solutions. And if there's anything that you're still struggling with, there's a free Facebook group that you can join and you can ask for help there. And when you've finished all the lessons, you can download a completion certificate. I also give you links to free sources where you can find additional practice if there are any bits where you think, oh, I could still do with a bit more work on that. And there's a no quibble money back guarantee. Your subscription doesn't expire, so you can access the content for as long as you need to. So a quick summary of the skills covered. The bulk of it is what we call pure maths. So you've got some background stuff, fraction arithmetic, surds, indices. Vectors is used more in the mechanics side of things, but you do need to know your vectors work. The bulk of it is algebra, and the coordinate geometry and graphs is also an extension of the algebra work. There's quite a lot of trigonometry as well. And then on the applied maths side, we've got statistics, including probability, and mechanics, including stuff that you'll have done in GCSE science or physics. So to find out more, come and take a look at mathscourses.co.uk, and I look forward to you joining us.